Hello everybody, Mark Dixon here with Allstate Insurance. I am not a Pittsburgh Pirates fan, but it is baseball season, so let's go. Also shout out to my boy Keone Durin for providing me this shirt when I used to coach the Manoa Pirates. So if any Manoa Pirates are seeing this video, hey, what's up guys? Now let's get to the insurance part. So I get this question all the time from customers here in Hawaii. Does my Allstate auto insurance cover me when I'm renting a car? Now the short answer is it usually does, but there's a few really important details you need to know before you decline coverage at the rental counter. So let's talk about that. So first, your Allstate auto policy typically extends to a rental car as long as you're renting it for personal use here in the US or Canada. So if you already carry liability coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, those same protections generally follow you into the rental vehicle. Now that means if you cause an accident, your liability coverage can help pay for damages or injuries to others. And if the rental car is damaged or stolen, your collision and comprehensive coverages will apply, just like it would with your own vehicle. But here's where things get important. Coverage limits and deductibles still apply. So if you have a $500 deductible on your policy, you'll likely pay that out of pocket before your insurance kicks in for damage to the rental car. Now let's talk about what your policy may not cover. Most standard auto policies, including Allstate's, do not cover things like loss of use, fees charged by the rental car company, administrative fees, and diminished value. And those extra charges can add up quickly if the car is damaged. This is why the rental car companies offer you something called collision damage waiver or CDW. Now it's not technically insurance, but it can help cover those gaps. So the big question becomes, should you buy the counter insurance from the rental car company? Well, here's my honest answer as a local agent. If you have a strong Allstate policy with collision and comprehensive coverage and low deductibles, you may not need it. But if you want peace of mind, or if you're worried about those extra fees we just talked about, or maybe you have a high deductible, then that rental coverage can be worth considering. And then one more thing, and this is kind of a big one. Like if you're traveling internationally, a whole bunch of people go to Japan now. Your coverage may not follow you. In fact, it won't follow you outside the US or Canada. So if you're renting a car outside of the US or Canada, definitely call your agent before your trip. Credit cards. So some credit cards offer rental car protection if you use those to rent a car. That can be a great backup, but you want to confirm exactly what it covers and whether it's primary or secondary coverage. So here's the bottom line. Yes, your Allstate auto insurance will often cover a rental car, but you need to understand your deductibles still apply. There may be some coverage gaps, and your situation might be different depending on your policy. Best advice, before your next trip, give your Allstate agent a quick call. Right? We can review your coverage and help you decide whether you can confidently skip the rental car upsell or if it makes sense to add that extra protections. Now, if you've got questions about your policy, rental cars, or anything insurance related here in Hawaii, reach out anytime. I'm here to help. Mahalo for watching, and stay safe out there. Live aloha and have a mayhem-free day, and I'll see you in the next video.